Click on the link below to get price. The EF ECOFLOW 120V Home Backup Kit featuring the Delta Pro 3600WH power station is a remarkable solution for anyone looking for reliable and efficient energy backup. Right out of the box, the Delta Pro impresses with its robust design and user-friendly interface. Weighing in at around 99 pounds, it's a bit hefty, but the built-in wheels and ergonomic handle make it relatively easy to transport. With a capacity of 3600 WH, this power station is a powerhouse that can support multiple devices simultaneously. It's equipped with a range of outlets, including standard AC, USB-A, USB-C, and a carport, allowing you to charge everything from smartphones and laptops to larger appliances like refrigerators or medical devices. The inverter provides a peak output of 7200 W, which is quite impressive and makes it suitable for running heavy-duty equipment. One of the standout features is its fast charging capability. The Delta Pro can be charged from 0% to 80% in just under 2 hours when plugged into a wall outlet, and it can also be charged via solar panels or a car, giving you flexibility in how you manage your energy needs. The Smart App connectivity is another great addition, enabling you to monitor battery status, control settings, and even manage multiple units remotely. Moreover, the Delta Pro is incredibly quiet during operation, which is especially important in residential settings where noise can be a concern. The battery management system ensures safety, maximizing battery life while preventing overheating and overloading. While the initial investment might be significant, the peace of mind and reliability it offers during power outages or emergencies are invaluable. For those who need a dependable backup power solution, the EF ECOFLOW 120V Home Backup Kit stands out as a top choice, combining power, efficiency, and innovative features in one impressive package.